Okay, for our final trick here, we're going to export our file into an MP3 that we can use in Unity. So now that I've got this all set up, I've got my master control, I've got all my tracks in here and the pans and the fades and everything. I'm ready to export. And what I have to do is I have to set the range that I want to export. Now there is this project endpoint slider here, but that only lets you go down to 14 seconds is the smallest range that will let you do. Our clip is smaller than 14 seconds. So this is where we need to use the loop range. And so the loop range is right here. It's this button here. And it gives you this yellow bar up here, which you can adjust to set the overall duration. I'm just setting mine to be the end point of our master fade out. So that's going to be my overall range. I mean, you can drag this thing around, you can make it bigger and smaller and so forth. But I'm just going to go ahead and drag it down to that master range there. So when I'm all ready, all I have to do is go up here to Share, Export Song to Disk, and you can mess around with the compression settings, see what you like. If you turn it off, you'll get CD quality. Maybe a little compression might not be a bad idea for Unity. Just go ahead and experiment, see if you can live with the results. David might have some better suggestions than that, but let's just go ahead and just go with the setup here and hit export. When we do that, we'll get this dialog saying where do you want to put this. It defaults to our project folder here, so I'll go ahead and hit save. And after a moment, it will mix down, and voila, there it is in MP3 form. So now we're ready to work with this file in Unity. The Miles Audio 01 is a GarageBand project, and that will not work in anything else except for GarageBand. But the MP3 will, of course, play anywhere. So we could open this with iTunes, for example, and listen to it in iTunes, which will be very exciting. There we go. So that's GarageBand. Go ahead and play around with it a lot, get familiar with it, and just have fun. And next we'll cover Unity.